Okay, hi, welcome to microwave class. I am your teacher, Mr. Microwave, or Mr. Teacher, whatever you want to call me, and I guess we'll start by taking a roll call. Jeffrey Jefferson. Here. Alright, then looks like everybody's here. Okay, so, Jeff, what made you want to take my prestigious microwave class? Well, it's kind of embarrassing, but I've never actually used a microwave before. I guess I've always been too scared, you know, because it's so rectangular and stuff, you know, but like, I figured I finally need to face my... Great, yeah, that's great. You know, accepting your fears is always the first step. First step of what? Exactly. So, before we get started, can anybody tell me what this is? Jeff? This is a... Yes, it's a microwave, aka one of the world's finest machines. Well, a truly beautiful specimen, isn't she? Yes, sir. Yes. A specimen capable of a great many things, from cooking raw meat to melting plastic, or even warming yourself up in the wintertime. How would one go about warming himself up in a microwave? It's pretty self-explanatory, Jeff. You would open it, like so, and then... You didn't see that. Just stick your head in, like so. But wouldn't it need to be closed to actually work? Don't ask me stupid questions. Okay, Jeff? Sorry, sir. Alrighty, class. Now that we have the basics out of the way, I will lead y'all in a very simple yet important demonstration. Our first ingredient is a large piece of the most metallic, flammable aluminum foil you can find. Okay, the price does not matter as long as it is extremely metallic, okay, and extremely flammable. Got that? Yes, sir. Our next ingredient is one raw, uncooked egg. You can usually find these in bird nests, my personal preference, or even grocery stores if you want to take the easy way out, which I do not recommend. Couldn't you just cook the egg on the stove? Why in the hell would you do that when you have access to the greatest machine known to mankind, huh, Jeff? I don't know, Mr. Teacher. Didn't think so. Next, we will wrap our egg in the aluminum foil, and as much as possible, because trust me guys, you really want to get a good burn going here, a good flame. You do not want to be eating a raw egg, although sometimes they can be quite delicious and extremely nutritious. Once wrapped, you just toss it in, choose your desired time, 10 minutos, and last but not least, you would just press start. wait, wouldn't that, okay, sorry, I know I'm not an expert or anything, but wouldn't that be flammable? No. And then he just pressed start and the whole thing kind of exploded. Man, it was pretty terrifying. I just ran for the nearest exit. Well, you're lucky you made it out alive, kid, because that teacher fellow was apparently wanted for arson in 17 states. Damn. R.I.P., am I right? What does that mean? Never mind. Oh, Jeffrey, what's up? Want a bite? No, I think I'm good. Thanks. You're a loss.